While I was planning to do the Diwali special deep cleaning of our home, my kids were behind me for their room makeover. After all, kids' happiness, that's what matters, right? So I opted to do the makeover and look how happy they are. So the very first thing we did was to deep clean the room by removing everything, and these little helpers helped me throughout the process. Once the cleaning was done, I decided to give a small makeover to my son's study table by using wallpapers. Since the chair was in black and white color, I thought of following the same pattern for the table as well. So first I took the measurements and cut the wallpaper accordingly. These are self-adhesive wallpapers, so pasting it was not a difficult task. We will have to position it properly, peel it gently, and with the help of any card or cloth, just keep pasting it. I painted the handles with black acrylic paint. For the bottom part, I made some diagonal design so that I would get a combination of black and white color. We followed the same process and applied wallpaper on the small shelves as well. Advik was happy to arrange his toys on these new shelves. We also decided to put these beautiful and colorful stickers on the wall, and that would make the room look more colorful. Applying this is also very easy since the draft design is already there and numbering will be provided for each sticker. Finally, put this DIY photo collage at the middle of the wall. Next, for the curtains, we selected this colorful print with pencils and rainbows. I also decided to do a DIY pinboard with thermocol, attaching all thermocol pieces together so that they stay in place. Later, I used the adhesive wallpaper and pasted on the thermocol. Finally, used a blue washi tape at the sides and using double-sided tape, put that on wall. Kept this DIY decoupage decor on the wall. This was made using an old chopping board. One more coat as wall hanging, and for this also I used the thermocol as a base. Finally, my kids took charge in keeping everything back on the shelf and on the table. Advik is so excited to give you all his room tour. This table is a foldable one and it was done during our home renovation. is my elder son's Akshat's desktop. He is 11 years old and is interested in programming. He has a YouTube channel where he shares programming related videos and he records all the videos from here. So the wall sticker as a background would look good in his videos, I believe. Since the room was small in size, we opted to keep this foldable sofa cum bed, and I must say that this is a perfect solution for small rooms. And for the wardrobe, we used chalkboard laminate so that it serves dual purpose. Hope this video was useful and gave you some helpful tips and DIY ideas to decorate your kids' room as well. Please drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback in this makeover. Also, don't forget to show your love and support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We will see you soon with another video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.